In this video, we're going to try and solve these two indices equations. So for this one here, break up this one fraction into two fractions. So break the two apart. So that will then become a block of 10 over 5, a block of x to the power 5 over x to the power 3. So this would then become a block of 10 divided by 5 will be a block of 2. And then you've got... so you would get 5 take away 3, that would be x to the power of 2. So that then becomes this equals 50. So now it's just a matter of getting x on its own. So divide both sides by 2, so that will be 25 equals x squared. So now square root both sides. When you square root 25, you get the square root both sides, you get the positive version and the negative version. Well, square root of 25 is the number 5. So that means x could be positive 5 or it could be a negative 5. So that one's done for the first one. So for this one here, again, break up this fraction into two separate fractions. One fraction times another fraction. Because top times top would then give you the numerator. Bottom times bottom would then give you the denominator. So this block here will become, simplify this fraction, that would be 1 over 2 as one block. And then this thing here would be 1 over y squared. If you think about it, if you don't understand this step, then you've got to search back to one of the early videos. I explained why this becomes this. And then this thing here, just leave it as this fraction, as one block if you want. And now you want to get y on its own. So let's merge these two together. So top times top, bottom times bottom, that would be 1 over 2y squared equals 1 over 50. So now there are lots of ways of doing this. You can take the reciprocal of both sides, but I'm just going to times both sides by the denominator. So that will then give us, so times this to the, times 2y squared to both sides, that will then give us 1 equals 2y squared over 50. Now, remember, keep an eye on y. You want to get y on its own. Times both sides by 50. So that will then become 50 equals 2y squared. Divide both sides by 2. So that will then become, hang on. Divide both sides by 2, that will then become 25 equals y squared, and then square root both sides. So square root, when you square root something, you get the positive version and the negative version. So that would then be plus or minus 5. So the answer could be 5 or it could be a negative 5, okay?